So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride. You've got to pimp my ride.
Okay, so the footage you're about to see is 5 months old. I did this back in July, and at the end of the video, you stick around, I'll show you how well the refinish job is held up. I think it's done pretty well. And what you didn't see is a failed attempt to sandblast with very medium abrasive, did nothing. So I took a toothbrush and some dish soap and cleaned the wheels. Then I took my pressure washer and sprayed them all down and let them dry before I came at them with primer and wheel silver. So I used the primer for high heat and just your standard duplicolor wheel silver. So I'll show you that process, and at the end I'll show you what it looks like after 5 months. So I have cleaned these as best I can, and you still see that stuff that's inside the pores of this textured aluminum. So I think I'm going to have a paint failure in the not too distant future, but I am throwing primer and paint on this. Alright, so I used my shield, little tape, and I've primed everything. Looks nice and uniform. You see that my polish has been coated. So I've come behind it with some varnish thinner and uncovered my polished edge on these. So, okay. So I'll have to do that again. I'm going to spray with silver and then come back with a varnish to expose the polish.
Started.
Okay, so I got all the primer off of the polished part. So now I'm going to put some silver paint down. My assistant photographing or recording for me. All right, let's do this. All right, I'll show y'all in a little bit when it's all done. All right, so you see the difference in the polish and what got painted. Got to clean that layer of paint off. Show you what that looks like. I got my varnish remover. Will you zoom in here, Tai? So see this? Got some silver and some of the polish underneath. I'm just going to burn through that silver to reveal my polish, my original polish, which is not great looking, but it's better. Leave in the comments any failures, successes, lessons learned from refinishing your wheels. All right, 5 months later, this is how they look. See a little brake dust on there, but the encapsulated dirt is still encapsulated, no peeling, no blistering. The center caps still look really good. Again, this car looks beautiful from 10-15 feet away, and that's the way I like it.